snack.
মজার ব্যাপার
Food is always good.
এক্সপেরিয়েন্স
সিঙ্গারা খেয়েছিলাম বড়টার সময়।
না মানে চা দিয়ে শুরু তারপরে সিঙ্গারা
এটাই তো এসছি।
Yeah, it's awesome. This is the first time in PAGC history that we are doing this, and look at the excitement of the people, right? This is very good.
It's the first time in the BG history we started the midnight snacks, and look at the crowd. It is very popular items, and people are laughing left and right. Look at this, what is happening here. People are very happy. We are giving lots of food. Come and enjoy.
Welcome to BAGC Durga Puja Chicago Durgotsav 2019. As you can see, this scale of Durga Puja has been transformed this year from how you used to do it over the years. BAGC is a 50-year-old organization. Durga Puja started in somebody's house back in 1969. From there, we went to various places. Over the last 30-35 years, we have been doing it in schools. This year, we just wanted to transform how we celebrate, how we want to involve the community. So we decided to do it in the convention center, where we have invited the entire Chicago to come, visit, have darshan, have prasad, and then there is no entry fee. That's one of the big achievements of this Durga Puja. Apart from that, you will see this Durga Puja brings a lot of new things. Everything you see around here, the food area, the exhibition, the stage, the pandal, and the auditorium on the other side, and the booths. This has been conceptualized, planned, and executed by our own people who have worked days and nights, hundreds of hours, sleepless nights, to put in front of you what you see today. So I stand here with a lot of pride today to tell you that this Durga Puja has really transformed the face of BAGC.
This time we had a different setup in the sense this time Thakur was brought we had a team of people who carried Thakur all the way. They brought Thakur to the stage. So there was a boron at the entrance, and everybody carried Ma to the Vedi and set up for the
ঢাক বাজছিল, শঙ্খ বাজছিল, শঙ্খ ঢাক তার শব্দ মধ্যে দিয়ে আমরা মাকে বরণ করে নিয়ে স্টেজে তোলা হলো।
And someone was dancing too.
In Bengali culture, Ma Durga is not only Ma, she is also our village community family daughter. See, daughter is coming to Baper Bari. Baper Bari means paternal, maternal house. This is a great celebration. So that's why very seldom we call it Durga Pujo. We call it Durgotsav. Durgotsav defines the celebration of Durga rather than worshipping of Durga. That is the basic difference.
সেদিন ঠাকুর সাজানো, ঠাকুরের সামনে বোধন হলো শুক্রবার দিন। বোধনের পরে ঘট স্থাপন হলো।
Everything is really well prepared. The entire committee and the entire community has come forward and they helped in the preparation process, which has been going on for months. And you can see that in each and every corner of the mega celebration that's going on over here. It's just very exciting. Everybody is so happy, so excited, and we're excited that everything is working so well.
Crowd management is going wonderfully because there's no crowd yet. Ask me the question at 8:45.
Yes.
I think we are ready. We want the crowd to come.
Yes.
We are expecting close to 1,500. We have a total of 36 volunteers who have given up their time, their family time to come and help. I could not be more proud of about our community.
Hello, my name is Indranil Raichaudhuri. I'm a volunteer at BAGC 2019. We are looking forward to 3 days of absolutely fun-filled, sensational, exciting programs, food, and classic Bangali Adda. So we are looking forward to having as many of you who can join us over the course of the next 3 days and make this event phenomenally successful. This year, BAGC has taken a big leap in terms of infrastructure and the facility where we are organizing Durga Puja. For the first time, it is being held in a marquee location like a convention center at the Schaumburg Marriott Renaissance. We've had some phenomenal amount decorations that have been put up by our own BAGC community members, which are really world class, and we are fantastically proud of everything that our community has accomplished in the run-up to this show, and we're looking forward to entertain you over the course of the next few days.
उसने जो छू लिया तो हाय लगे के
Starting this VOC is a Voice of Chicago contest in Chicago. We are trying to find new talent within the community, maybe somebody who has been around also, but this is a contest to see who sings very well.
केसरिया बलवा अमुनी केसरिया बलवा अमुनी पधारो मारे देश पधारो मारे देश पधारो मारे देश पधारो मारे देश केसरिया